Hello everybody. In this video I want to check the video analytics for Yuja and Canvas Studio inside of Canvas. So a lot of teachers want to see if their students are actually watching the videos that they put into Canvas, and these analytics will hopefully let you know that information. I'm going to put the instructions for Yuja as well as for Canvas Studio as links in the description of this video. So to start, we will go to my Canvas page here. As the teacher, I'm going to put in two Yuja videos first, one for an uploaded video. I made a section called YouTube Embed, and we will add the other Yuja video there. We have those in there. Now I'll go down, I made a Canvas Studio section, and here is where I'm going to put the uploaded video. And then we'll go to that same thing. I put the same video as a YouTube link inside of Canvas Studio. But I'm just using these YouTube videos just to see if either of these tracks the analytics for regular YouTube embed. All right, I got my videos in there. I'm going to save this page. And I will now go in as the student. Okay, so here we are as the student. First, I'm going to play the Yuja video that I uploaded into Yuja, and I'm only going to run it for about a minute. Okay, so as the student, I stopped watching the video 50 seconds in on the Yuja upload. Now I'm going to play the Yuja video embed. I don't think this is going to do anything as far as showing us the analytics, but I just wanted to test it out. So for that one, I paused it at 30 seconds, but again, I'm not holding out hope that YouTube is going to show me any analytics when it comes to Yuja. So now we'll try the Canvas Studio upload. I'm going to run this for maybe 20 seconds. Okay, so I paused that one at 26 seconds. And again, we'll do the same for the YouTube embed via Canvas Studio. I'll run this for maybe 25 seconds. Okay, so that one I paused at about 23 seconds as the student. So this student watched some of these videos, did not watch all of them the whole way through. So let's take a look and see what the analytics will show the teacher. The first step to see the Yuja video analytics, you are going to go to the course that has those Yuja videos in it and select Yuja in the course navigation list on the left. Once you're in Yuja, you can go to the upper right corner and click on the 9 squares. Then select Usage and Analytics. From this page, you'll go to the left blue column and scroll down to Users and select that. And from here, you're just going to follow the instructions. You're going to select a course. And if you have a lot of courses, you can type the section number, which is a nice shortcut to find the course. And if you want, you can also select the user. I only have one student, Jane Doe. And then select Get Report. And the first page is a summary. And this is going to show you the videos and the total views, the total play length, and some other information here. So the one I'm curious about is this media analytics test, because this is a summary. It's only showing sort of both videos that the student accessed. But if we click on the videos tab, this is going to give you the information about the specific videos. So for Jane, she watched the media analytics test one time and only watched 53% of it. And you can see the watch time here, 50 seconds. And if we want to see a graph, we can. I don't know if that's too useful for me. And then you also have a sessions here, which is going to show you more information. We're not going to get too into all of this, but this is kind of interesting if you want to know some of this other information. So that one worked quite well. We'll now look for the other video. I named it Embed Analytics Test. It did not show at all in the analytics because it was a YouTube video. So let's now try Canvas Studio, and to get to those analytics, or media insights is what Canvas Studio calls them, in the global navigation list you can click on Studio, and then for this one you actually click on the specific video that you want to get the analytics for. And here underneath the video you can select where it says My Library, and here you can select the course that you want to see the analytics for, and then you would click on Insights, and here it's going to show you just all the students, I believe, but if you want a specific student, if you scroll down you'll see the viewer below. It'll list all your students here. So for this student, Jane, I would click on the little graph next to her name, but I can see she only watched 30%, 32%, and that is roughly almost 30 seconds. And if we go back and look at Jane, let's see where she stopped watching that video. It was at 26 seconds. So it doesn't give me the exact seconds. And that's it for that. It's a little less information, but that's okay. It kind of gives you the gist of it. I'm going to go ahead and go back to this area, and I want to see if it'll show me the analytics for this YouTube embed. I think the student only watched about 20 seconds of this one. Let's see. It's pretty interesting. Unlike the Yuja, this shows the analytics for that YouTube video. So for all my students, I got one view, 24 seconds, and I believe that matches up with Jane Doe. She watched 29% of that video. So she was my one view, and that's interesting. So it did show the YouTube analytics for the Canvas Studio. And I will say Yuja will also show the YouTube analytics, but only if you import the video as a YouTube link, not just embed it as a YouTube link. And I do have a video that shows that process, but we're not going to cover that in this video. This was just a comparison and showing you how to access those analytics in both Yuja and Canvas Studio. Thanks for watching.